Happy Saturday. I'm so excited to share with you that I am announcing because we have entered November, and I'm so excited because every single November, every year, I'm so jazzed up because it's my birthday month, and every time this year I am full of gratitude, full of joy. So I'm happy to announce that I am starting from today until my birthday a 14-day Rewire with Gratitude challenge. Okay, so every single day I'm teaching you the neuroscience, the neurobiology of rewiring your brain with gratitude. And why is this important? Also because with that, after our challenge, after 14 days, and we are celebrating on my birthday, then we will go ahead from November 19 on Wednesday all the way until December 31st for 6 weeks, a weekly Zoom sessions on my inner royalty circle. And we were setting our goals for 2026. I'll teach you the steps for that so that we can set the goals with calm nervous system, with clarity and clear brain, clear mind, clear heart, clear soul, and in a way that it actually is true to you. This way we will set ourselves ready for 2026. So literally this 14-day Rewire with Gratitude challenge is so critical, particularly also for me, because together I will teach you techniques and will explain to you the neurobiology of basically the science of gratitude and what really does to our brain, to our entire nervous system. If you can tell, many people in the woo-woo channels are talking a lot about gratitude, but if you can really learn the neuroscience, that's actually true neuroscience, neurobiology behind of it, and I am the literally real life person who can attest to that. And what we have done also, the entire calming, the techniques that I taught also in my inner royalty circle for the last 30 days together with Amber. I am, the one that really, it helped me, the entire techniques, and I taught this to Amber in our circle, and she identically also experienced these same things that happened to me and to herself as well, mentally, physically, and emotionally. And this is why now, in the next step, after our 30-day Journal with Me challenge, we've just finished from October 1st until October 30th. Literally every single day we showed up and we did our 30-day Journal with Me challenge, and I taught how to calm our nervous system down. And then I said, listen, now we have to do the gratitude-based, gratitude-focused nervous system reset and rewiring our brains so that we can get ready and set our goals for 2026. And last year, I actually started it. Hi, everybody. Hi, thanks for joining. Last year, this for November, I actually set and started the entire program. However, I had an emergency flight to overseas. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, you know what? I have to tell you, this is my dad made this necklace. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I will tell my dad. So my necklace, my dad made my necklace. So I'm proudly wearing it. I appreciate that, Gabby. I will tell my dad. So that's actually so interesting because yes, last year my flight, I was just saying that, Gabi. Literally, I was flying and I brought this back. That's really sweet. Yeah, because I was literally telling to you that I was flying overseas, and then I brought this back from my dad. So I have several others as well, and I'm wearing from time to time in my live streams. So I really had to fly over for a patient. That's why I couldn't complete the November gratitude based all of my programs. But this time I'm here and I will start the challenge today and until for next 14 days, every single day, I will teach you the neuroscience behind of it. We will start today, right after this. This is an announcement, a live stream, but we'll do after this. Hang on tight, subscribe if you haven't already. After this, I will actually start with the neurobiology of gratitude and what does it do to your brain. And I will teach you a really small technique, 5-minute technique, so that you can every single day, I will teach you the biology of it, the neurobiology of it, so that you can apply it in your day, in your life, every single day. So again, for people who are joining, I like the gems on it. Thank you guys. So for people who are really would like to get serious about 2026, because I'm telling you, and I always said in my live stream and all in my videos, the real new year is not January 1st. As I said, it is a made-up day. That's why people feel sluggish. It's similar to the last year. Why is it not different? Because the real new year starts with spring. That's the natural time frame that's why people feel energized, because that's the natural new year. And with Eastern culture celebrating Nowruz, etc. However, 2026 is not like that. In 2026, actually, the new year starts literally on January 1st. Everything will completely change January 1st. That's why after our challenge, we will celebrate, because we just finished in my inner royalty circle with Amber together the 30-day journal with me challenge. Then we celebrated on Halloween, and we had our certificates, and we celebrated our completion. Now today until my birthday, and we will celebrate for the 14 days on my birthday on the 14th, the end of our challenge. Okay, we will be alive. We will celebrate in life. Then on the 19th, on Wednesday, the 19th, we will start for 6 weeks, every week, not daily this time, every week for 6 weeks until December 31st, live on Zoom on my inner royalty circle, and we will set our goals for 2026. I teach you how to do that with calmed nervous system and clear mind, and to really the goals that actually are true to you, true to your actual mind and body and soul, compared to goals that set with fear. That's not what we are doing. It should come really from inside of you, with your brain, actually a heart and soul and mind all combined, and it will burst into from inside out, and we will write down and we will do all the techniques in my circle. Okay, so I'm so excited. So I want to mention that this will be the beginning again for 6 weeks. We will do this in our inner circle, and in the inner circle, when you join now, and we only need a handful of people, right? If you're large people, fine, but I like to have this core people so that I can help you personally in our Zoom calls. And we had so much fun with Amber in our live Zoom calls. It's like a personal kind of interaction, very, very nice. And I can immediately answer questions or can really pivot based on whatever the person needs, yeah? And so next year in 2026 in February, we will start our third cohort. However, in that third cohort, everything will be literally full blown in there, right? However, if you join now within these 14 days, you will be in no matter automatically when the cohort price really increases quite a bit, because they have a lot of stuff going on at that time. But when you join now, you will be automatically in the new cohort regardless of whatever the price changes will be at that time, and you will be automatically be in there. Okay, so I hope you will join us. And if you don't know me yet, if you're new here, hi, my name is Dr. Aygun Shahin, and I'm a scientist. I am a geneticist. My PhD is in genetics, and I did my PhD on brain cancer. So I'm a cancer scientist basically, and I'm in the field of cancer actually of 25 years. So everything brain, you ask me and I will tell you, okay? So genetics, immunology, and I'm a genetic engineer. So all of this, everything what we did in the lab and everything I know about the brain, neuroscience, cancer, immunology, genetics on this channel, okay? And I combine these information to real life, okay? I apply this to real life to help you to really overcome any challenges mentally, physically, emotionally, heal and actually heal. No medication needed. You just need to learn the techniques, and you learn it here. Okay, so I will end this here and hop over right now. Hang tight, and we will be live again with day one's neurobiology of gratitude. Okay, so join me right after this. Okay, see you guys.